great day. So I'm just here drawing the facial structures of my next cartoon character or superhero character here. Basic foundation of dividing the face up into 4 different sections here. Very fundamental drawing when it comes to portrait drawing, depending, just on the position of the character's face. But I always like to, of course, definitely sketch things and sketch my lines in very lightly until I have that kind of overall foundation, and then I move on to, darkening up my lines here, building up my confidence to move on to adding different elements of my face, where you can see I've got my eye structure in there, mouth structure, nose structure. I'm still in this, kind of stage here where I'm just having a little bit of, still alignment, aligning facial elements here with my ear, where you can see where I visually just kind of eyeball with my horizontal line going from the bottom tip of my nose over to the bottom edge, very bottom edge of the character's ear here. And again, laying down the foundation lines. Then once I lay those foundation lines in, manipulate the lines, darken them in a bit so that I have better visual of seeing exactly where my lines are, and move on to adding my shading in, bring in the drawing or my character a little bit more up to par, or bring in some life into my characters here. It's always fun, starting from the very beginning to seeing the the final outcome of your drawing once you do start. But I do hope that you all enjoyed this video, or are enjoying this video. Don't forget, again, do like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications whenever I do post, so that you are notified. And until my next video, thanks again, everybody, and bye for now.